this glass. Look, this glass is so dirty. We're gonna clean it without the glass cleaner. All we need is just fresh water and then newspaper. A few pages of newspaper, up to you, just random pick of newspaper. First, put this newspaper into the water. And then press it until a bit dry. Clean the glass. We should rubbing the glass window. If already dirty, fold it and then rub again. If the newspaper already dirty, make another one. Fold it and put it in the water. Press it until a bit dry, and then clean the glass window again with the new page of this newspaper. Rub again and again until clean. If this already dirty, just pick up the new one. Oh, this is okay. So I'm gonna start this. Put it in the water. Let it a bit dry, and then rub again. Rub the glass. The other ways also we should wrap it, because the glass is transparent. If just this side, the other side still looks dirty. After looks clean enough, take the dry newspaper to dry it. The other ways also we dry it. Look, this windows is clean. Only fresh water and newspaper. And don't forget to subscribe if you think it's useful.